Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Abdulbasith. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the IP camera and NVR setup. In my previous videos, you have seen the traditional CCTV cameras, types of CCTV setup, and the tips for installation of CCTV setup. Now in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the NVR, the IP camera. IP camera is an advanced camera which are installed at present times. What is the difference between a traditional CCTV camera, analog camera, and an IP camera? IP camera comes with the Ethernet port. It can be connected to DVR, it can be connected to NVR, it can be connected to computer, laptop, and any network device. The difference between the analog camera and IP camera is analog camera doesn't have any user ID, password, or IP address. IP cameras, they have user ID, password, and IP address dedicated for every different company. So IP camera, the cabling would be entirely different in comparison of analog traditional cameras, and the working protocols will also be different in analog cameras and in IP cameras. IP camera has a single connection which will be connected to PoE switch. Again, from PoE switch it would be connected to a router, switch, or any other network device. From there it would be connected to NVR. Now what is NVR? NVR is the processing unit of IP camera surveillance system. It will act same as like DVR. DVR has origin point where all the traditional analog cameras will be connected. Like assume 4 cameras are there in traditional coaxial setup. So first camera would be connected directly to the DVR. Second camera it will be connected directly to the DVR. Third camera, it would be connected directly to the DVR, and the fourth camera like that. So in DVR, all the cameras, they will be connected to the DVR. But in IP, it will not happen like that. In IP, NVR will have only one Ethernet cable, and that Ethernet cable would be connected to a switch. Again, from that switch, one more cable would be running to the IP camera. It could be category 5 cable, category 6 cable, category 7 cable, what is generally known as CAT cable. So IP camera is the advanced CCTV which will be connected to NVR, and which can be connected to PC, which can be connected to laptop, which can be connected to any network device. Now the difference between the DVR and NVR. DVR comes in channels like 4 channel, 8 channels, 16 channels, and 32 is the last maximum. But in NVR we do have 4 channels, 8 channels, 16 channels, 32 channels, 64 channels, 128 channels, and up to 256 in some brands. So NVR has the capability to connect to 256 cameras, but in DVR it has the capability of only 32 cameras. Comparison of hard drive slots. NVR has more hard drive slots in comparison of DVR. DVR maximum has 4 hard drive slots. NVR have more than 4. It could be 8, it could be 16, and it could be more than that. So this video was about the IP cameras. If you like my video and if you find this information useful, I request you to support my channel by subscribing and sharing it with others. And if you have any questions or queries, please mention in the comments below. I'll revert you back. You may also follow me on my mentioned links. You may log on to amptechnologies.net for more details. Thank you.